Hi, welcome to the ELA CAASPP exam. In preparation for your performance task, we are going to have a discussion on what it means for a poem to be a poem. First, how do we know when we are reading poetry? Poetry is usually different from what we call prose, which is written or spoken language in more straightforward, everyday style. I'm going to display and read two pieces of writing. Think about which one you would consider a poem and how you were able to make that decision. Which of these two examples is a poem? Both of these examples involve descriptions of weather events, but are clearly very different. For one thing, the first example is told in verse, which is writing that is arranged in rhythm and typically having a rhyme. Now we are going to consider some other differences between two pieces. Now you're going to get into groups of 3 to 4. In your groups, briefly describe how the elements in the left-hand column apply to example 1 and example 2. For instance, what is the purpose of example 1 and what is the purpose of example 2, etc. Work in your groups to complete this chart. Be prepared to present your answers to the class. You have 10 minutes. Now that we have determined some elements that make these two pieces of writing different, we will get some practice applying them. You will learn more about different purposes of poetry and the techniques the poets use to accomplish those purposes in the performance task you'll be completing. Good luck.